Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I'm going to be showing you guys a super affordable Christmas press-on nails tutorial from Shein with my own little touch to it. So if you guys want to see how I do that, then just keep on watching. These are what my nails currently look like. They are ready to be done. I had just washed my hands and also trimmed my cuticles, but now I am going to be filing them a little bit more because I really like them nubby before I actually put on nails, because if they have length to them, then I notice that they're not gonna last long. These are the nails I'm going to be using. They are from Shein and they have these perfect press-on nails, and I just love how they look. They have like the peppermint look to them and snowflakes, but of course I'm gonna add my own little touch to it because y'all know how I do. Everything I'm using in this video will be linked down below. But I need some gem glue. This gem glue came as a set with some gem applicators, and I'm using this one in this video. You're gonna need this little tool to put on the gems. The tip part is where the wax is, so I can actually grab the gems, but I did get these ones from AliExpress. I'll link these ones too, and I'll try to find some similar ones on Amazon. But this gem glue works really good. I had used this before too, like 2 years ago. All you want to do is take the gem glue applicator and apply it to the nail, then apply your gems onto the nail, because if you apply the glue onto the gem, it can get a little bit messy. So go to the nail first with the glue, then use your applicator, grab the gem, then put the gem on the nail. You can honestly place them wherever you feel like it, but I decided to put the gems on the snowflakes and the little sparkles and with the nail that has the heart, you know, just places where it was looking a little bit too plain for my liking. You want to make sure that you add enough glue too, so do not be like afraid of the glue. Just you want to put the right amount on, because if you don't, then they're gonna easily pop off. So you want to make sure that you put enough glue on the nail. Then you're gonna want to add more glue around the gem just to make sure that's gonna be secured. Now to make sure that these gems won't move at all, you need to add some base gel, and I highly recommend you guys curing the nails before adding the base gel, because the gems will move, and I completely forgot to cure them before I did this step. So make sure you guys cure them. It's a must-have. If you don't have one of these curing machines, get them. They'll be linked below. And then you need to top it off, because if you don't, then you're gonna have sticky feeling nails, and no, you just have to top it off. You can't just use the base. Then you're gonna want to cure them again for another minute. So now it's time to put the nails on. I'm super excited. So I'm going to be using my nail prep dehydration, so the nails will last a really long on me. It'll help them not pop off either. Now I'm going to buff out my nails with the nail filer so the nails will stick on better. The nails do come with nail glue stickers, but I prefer not using them. I like using actual glue, so I just use this Kiss pink gel nail glue, because if I use the white one, it kind of just doesn't look right whenever I use like clear type of nails. So I definitely recommend using the pink colored looking one. Now all I'm gonna do is just glue on the nails. Now it's time to add some lotion to my hands, and I'm just using the Gold Bond Radiance Renewal hand cream. And you guys, during the winter time my hands be really dry. Well, colder time, once it hits the cold, like my hands be super dry, so it's a must for me to put lotion on my hands immediately after I wash my hands. And then I'm gonna add my all-time favorite cuticle oil, and this works so good. It smells like straight vanilla, smells really warm and cozy, and if you're prone to having really dry cuticles, these will heal them up really fast. Like, I use this all the time. I highly recommend it. So that is all for this Christmas press on nails tutorial from Shein. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super affordable and easy to do. Let me know if you're planning to get these and what you think about them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys so much. God bless you all in Jesus' name. And I'll see you guys in my next video.